Fountain, but this time I'm not going to be making the Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege video. This time I'm going to be spray painting a fidget spinner. And I'm going to be spray painting it black. Black. You know? Because it's plain old white. Let me just make it plain old black. Well, anyway, let's get to the video. Alright, well, I didn't spray my black. I'm going to spray my black. It's going to be silver and black. Ooh, it stinks. Well, anyway, so take the fidget spinner. I'm gonna dip it in. Dip it in. Get all of that fidget spinner product onto the fidget spinner. Boom. Oh, it didn't work. So I'm gonna do it the ghetto way. Once again. See? So I'm gonna take this. Then I'm going to go over it. Black. So that. Boom. Now, I have to let it dry. So I'm going to let it sit there and let it dry. Thank you, YouTube, for watching my video. Well, please make sure you hit the like button. And if not, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, YouTube. Have a nice day. And if